Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to force stop an application on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and this works for any other Android phone as well. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up YouTube here, for example, and in order to normally close an application, what we do is just simply go ahead and click the three lines on the lower left hand side and then do a swipe up and close that application, right? And that's how you basically go ahead and close an application. However, there is another way how to really stop this application completely, right? And this is called a force stop. Now, how do you do that? Do a swipe up and you simply want to use a search and type in settings here. Now, once you open the settings, guys, you want to scroll down until you find apps. Go ahead and open up apps. And from here, you can either scroll down to find the application, or you can use a search here and you can simple search. And I will continue to use YouTube as the example. Now, once you open the application, in the lower right hand side, you see force stop. And once you tap on that, it will ask you if you want to force stop the application. It may cause errors. You don't have to worry about that. Just simply click on OK, and the application is literally force stop. Now, what that means is that the application is completely stopped. It's not running anywhere in the background, and it just simply close off. It doesn't mean that it's uninstalled, so be mindful of that. It just simply means that the application is just force stop. And this sometimes help when you're experiencing issues with the application, if you're experiencing errors as well. Sometimes doing a clean force stop can literally help you to fix those issues, right? If you don't want to even restart your phone. So yeah, once you're ready, you can simply go ahead and you can open the application again. It will work. You just go ahead and force stop it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.